There is a plastic inside our
No wait, before you do that. Oh yeah.
This is the testing of the air fryer. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys we unboxing of Cosori air fryer. Other air fryer is a recall, so this is the replacement. We have air fryer in New Year here, and there is. So let's see, we unboxing. Very good.
There's a different box.
There it is. Here guys, I want to show you. There you go. Wow, look like it's brand new.
Looks the same.
Wow.
There's another book in there.
Have other book.
This is another book.
Have here the book.
What's it
Book. See, this look like. Okay, and here it is. Okay.
I did wow.
There it is.
What?
No, slowly.
Hold it.
Okay. There you go. And there it is.
Everything looks the same except this.
It's hot. There you go. Eggs in here too.
Oh,
Ooh.
what's that? How do you open this again?
Do not press button while moving. Baking basket. Do not fill with oil.
Lighter.
This is not a deep fryer. Oh. This. Okay, we take this.
Oh.
Slowly again.
Nothing in there.
There's something in there.
Nothing.
So you pull this back.
Wow, look at
You pull it
that.
back or in.
Before you get started,
There's a plastic thing inside.
make sure to pull out and separate the basket
How do you?
and container top and remove all plastic before plugging.
Try to do.
Oh, different now.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, we already said that.
Compare before is a black, look like black, now is a look like a gray.
Let's have 2 air fryers. It's fine.
Give me money, finish.
No controls in there.
There you go. Yeah.
Buttons on the front.
They're gone.
There is.
There's no
Probably
button.
when you light it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. How to? There you go.
Oh, you just pull it.
Yeah. Whoa, a plastic inside our
No wait. Before you do that.
Oh, there you go. The same size, RJ.
Oh yeah. This is so cold. Touch it. Touch it.
Yeah, so cool. Maybe how many
Touch it.
hours that there?
Touch
Yeah,
it.
I feel the coldness, RJ. And there is. Yeah, I'm happy. Oh, I have my fingerprint now there. And here is the back. In here,
First.
here's the power.
Are you?
Because the other is a recall. And not your daddy that we complain of this. And this is the replacement. The look like only few days. Look like 3 days, Ane.
No, it was not 3 days.
No, we complain that
I think it was
that,
like a week.
Quicker than I thought. They said a week.
yeah, it's quicker. I think look like 3 days or
I think it took a
maybe
week.
5 days. I not know.
I feel
Forgot now. There is.
Oh, it's hot. Look at this.
Look at that. Yeah, we have a brand new air fryer. Okay, that's it for now. Our air fryer unboxing. There you go. There is. Okay. Compare
Exactly.
our old
There are things like that.
air fryer and the new air fryer.
Exactly the same.
Here it is.
Exactly.
Yes, oh, the same size. Look.
They're the same. See, these are the same. No, no.
They're the same.
See these are the same thing right here.
Air fryer need to throw this, the old one. This is the old one.
It's all right tomorrow. You know, let's not do it
This
tonight.
we change this color so that we're not the same.
Air fryer.
Yeah, I'm happy. I have a air fryer
We
again.
need to cook.
Here's the old.
We need to cook.
We need to cut this the power cord so
I
that
gotta take them out.
make sure that to be throw
Gotta cook.
in the garbage. And here he is. The power cord is broken now because he cut when the recall requirements. So this is it, our air fryer, and here is the this instruction manual.
This is the new cookbook.
Yeah, and this is the cookbook. Here is,
It's all at the
and
bottom
here is
drawer.
the together in here
All
the
those drawers.
cookbook,
This one. Let's open it.
and here is.
You like the cookbook? It's the exact same thing. I looked at it.
Have so many.
No, what do you mean? It's different. You got rid of it.
Okay, guys, this is the new Cosori air fryer, and then I testing to cook a chicken. This is the result. See, almost cooked. There you go. So we cook more. Guys, I cook the chicken legs. Yan. Yan ang replacement sa aming air fryer. So, first time I cook this air fryer. Guys, the other one is here. Need to throw this. Not yet throw. Okay. There is. It's already finished cook. And here is. That's the finished product of the chicken legs. I cook in air fryer for 35 minutes. So yan. So that's it, guys. See you next time. Bye. This is the testing of the air fryer chicken legs. Okay, bye.